how can you free up space on your Microsoft OneDrive? So let me guide you through it and show you how it can work. Definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. First of all, the OneDrive is a cloud storage, of course, and it depends on whether or not you are using the paid version or free one, because for free, we get 5 gigabytes of storage. You can tap on your picture in the top left corner to open up your profile, and at the bottom you have a little breakdown to see how much storage you have taken up so far and how much you have left. But of course, there are two parts of the OneDrive application. There is the photos and the files. And I would argue that the photos are going to take up much more storage, especially if you have the camera backup enabled. So as you can see in this case, it is prompting me to enable the camera backup. And if I do allow it, it would mean that every single photo from my gallery and even the new photos which I captured with the camera are also going to be like automatically uploaded and backed up to this storage, which can fill it up very fast. So I personally keep it turned off and I only back up the photos which I actually want, which gives me better control over the storage. So the point is that if you have that enabled, you might want to turn it off. Just make sure you're not losing any data or photos, but just, yeah, that is one of the biggest things which is going to clutter up your storage. So you can turn it off to free it up, but then you can manually just go through the photos or files and perhaps decide that you no longer want to keep something, right? So every single thing is basically showing you how much storage you have taken up so far by that file, so you can just delete stuff if you don't need it, right? So that's how you can basically do it, right? And as well, you can go to the files and filter them by size, so you can make the largest thing or the smallest files show up at first. So it depends, but that is how it would work. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I really hope I could help. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.